Well, bio-deterioration. Okay, now we'll learn about the bio-deterioration. First of all, what is bio-deterioration? An undesired change to the property in material or materials caused by some of the organisms. Many of the microorganisms are involved in this process. Okay, the impact. Okay, which type of materials does the biodeterioration have impact on? Biodeterioration has impact on a variety of materials such as fuels, concrete, textiles, timbers, metals, stones, rubbers, as well as glass also. And in this biodeterioration, it basically have a negative effect on the quality of the materials. Okay, such as let's talk about timber. Okay, in timber, if the wood gets some type of any fungal growth, okay, let's say a fungo is able to produce various degrading enzymes which break down wood. Okay, by the use of enzymes, the, the fungi break down the cellulose present in the wood and thus deteriorating the properties of the wood. Okay, for example, some of the examples of wood rot are given as seen in the screen. Moist wood can grow various cellular fungus. Some, for example, dark brown spots insects such as termites, moles in damp regions, and variety of microorganisms which are generally involved in the timber biodeterioration. Okay,